My name is Ray Farrell. I'm an Operations Manager with Citywide Infrastructure. My job is to look after the resource management and logistics of a number of projects across the state of Victoria. In this case today I'm looking after a project here in Lorne for the dismantlement of the Lorne Swingbridge. Now my role here was to set up the resource management, the site safety. I conducted the site safety assessments and then conveyed all the information to the workers through means of a toolbox meeting and a site induction. The project today involved us dismantling the bridge into pieces. We suspended the weight of the deck via the use of a crane prior to cutting the bridge into segments that would fit onto the back of a transport. Those segments were then slewed around and placed on the back of a flatbed truck and then trucked out of here to be recycled and turned into furniture items, which will give some return to the community on a historical bridge. This particular project has presented some challenges to us. It's quite an interesting job that we had to plan here. The tidal movements had to be considered prior to starting works. We also had to look at the impact on the local community who have got quite an attachment to this bridge. So we had to make sure we provided for adequate site delineation and to keep the onlookers at bay. It is quite visible from a distance, and we did generate quite a lot of interest during the project. Today's exercise is typical of most of our citywide projects where we try and utilise the skills of local contractors. We've used a transport contractor from the southwest as well as the craning operators from the southwest. We've supplemented them with full-time citywide staff with the relevant skills necessary to do the job at hand. And this is quite typical of what Citywide do across the state when we win projects. We certainly look to use that local community knowledge, and we look to pay back to the community while we're in that town.